Sharing our notes. Dear readers, welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite your memories. Watch and read these examples of note-taking. Free speech. Source: the 15-year-old environmental activist suing the government over climate change, and Vice. Kids use free speech to assert their ideas. Climate agent. Constitutional violations. Started as a 6-year-old. Influenced by indigenous culture, family, lifestyle, beliefs, location, social culture. Started in an activist group with friends and spoke out at rallies. Became well-informed. Influenced to fight greed. Questions: how do kids get adults to listen to their powerful voices? What opportunities do students have to raise their voices? How much trouble can kids get into when they raise their voices? Chunk into pieces. Read these visual ways to think about the research cycle. Inquiry. Investigate. Start. Discern. Interpret. Plan and prepare. Self-assess. Communicate, publish, reflect, and self-assess. When immersing oneself in a topic, researchers build background knowledge rapidly, work on their role as a study partner. Our partners will be in the large group for now. We'll just partner with the whole group, work to acquire new vocabulary and concepts, pause to synthesize ideas and information. So chew on it. Watch this demonstration of how to make quick notes when you read Newsy And the second video helps with how to use conjunctions while writing your notes. Annotating in Newsy and Schoolhouse Rock Conjunction Junction. This is the Common Core for both 7th and 8th grade. Determine 2 or more central ideas in a text and analyze their development over the course of the text. Provide an objective summary of the text. Review. Contribute to other researchers / classmates. Please share your notes so we can all understand the topics better. I am researching the topic. An article I've read on this topic is... It is by or appeared in. Its main message is, please add extra ideas and use a conjunction, and, but, or. And they gave another example. The rubric, 4 points, all 5 prompts answered are well thought out with ideas presented in full sentences. 3 points, 4 prompts answered with developed ideas in full sentences. 2, 3 prompts answered incomplete. 1, 2 or fewer prompts answers incomplete, and 0, 1 or fewer prompts answered. I'm researching the topic free speech. An article I've read on this topic is The Teenager Suing the U.S. Government Over Climate Change. It is by or appeared in Vice. Its main message is teenagers have a right to say what they think. Please add extra ideas and use a conjunction, and, but, or. And they gave another example. So this is the and. They gave another example. Q2.Ses has made a video proclaiming his intention to voice his concerns about the health of our planet and also to sue the government. Thank you, readers.